Friends, you can also pop the individual item. For example, I want to pop Tuesday. So here the index of this Tuesday is 0, 1. So what you can do here, you can simply use days dot pop 0, 1. Okay, like this. And let's print it again. Here you can see, I will save it and let me run it. So here you can see we just popped out the Tuesday. So you can see the Tuesday is not available here. Now let me insert it again because we need all days. Days dot insert. Okay, I want to insert at the 0, 1 and it should be Tuesday. So it will be inserted. See, print days like this, save it and run it. So here you can see once again it will be the same. And now if you want to find the index of a certain item, for example, I want to find the index of Monday, so you can type something like this: days dot index of Monday, save and then run. Here you can see the index of Monday is 0. And suppose if you want to clear a list, means if you want to clear all the list, so you can use here simple days dot clear. Very simple function. Save and let's print it again like this. So here you can see when I run it, see here, let me run it again, it will show you at the top. See, it's empty. You can also reverse the list. Okay, so let me comment this part first because I'm not going to clear it. And you can simply use days dot reverse. So reverse it and let me print it. See, everything will be reverse. So you didn't need to write an algorithm regarding this. So you can see everything is reverse. You can also use short function. You can see out here this short function to short the order of your list. So it's something like days dot and very simple. I think it's short only. And it will sort on the basis of alphabetical order. We already reversed the list. So here, let's say print days and save it and run it. So here you can see it is sorted. Okay, the Friday and the Monday and then the Saturday, Sunday. Okay, and Thursday, then Tuesday and the Wednesday.